Namaskar, hello everyone, RVD here, and I'm back with my next video of my playlist Programming in C, where C is simplified. So in the current video, we will be looking at how to find the type of triangle given three sides of a triangle. Now before finding the type or before going ahead with checking of the type, we'll also check whether the triangle is actually constructible or not. Okay, because if three sides are given, it's not that always the triangle is constructible. So we'll check for the constructibility, and if it is constructible, then we will check for the type. Okay, so let us take three sides first. So I'll be asking user enter three sides of a triangle. Okay, that will be taken as A, B and C. Okay, now what is the triangle constructibility rule? The triangle constructibility says if the addition of any two sides has to be greater than the third one. If it is less than or even if it is equal to, then the triangle is not constructible. Okay, so it will go like this. If A plus B is greater than C, likewise I'll be having three different scenarios like B plus C greater than A and C plus A greater than B. Now I want all of them to be true, so it has to be combined with AND. So A plus B greater than C, okay, or else B plus C greater than A, or else C plus A greater than B. Now, if this is the case, then the triangle is constructible. In else part, I can simply say the triangle is not constructible. Okay. So now, if the triangle is constructible, we are supposed to check the type of a triangle. Now, there are three types which are possible based on the sides, that is equilateral, isosceles or scalene. So if A is equal to B and B is equal to C, the third one is obvious, because if A is B and if B is equal to C, A is obviously equal to C, so we don't have to check the third option. So if A is equal to B and B is equal to C, it is enough to conclude that the triangle is equilateral. So we would say equilateral triangle. I'm writing in short, you can very well have a complete message. Else. Now in else, see, when we say else, that means it's sure that all three sides are not equal. So we just have to check if any two sides are equal. Now that could be any pair. Either A could be equal to B, or B could be equal to C, or C could be equal to A. So as the way we are describing, the same way we will have a condition. So these each checking would be ORed. So if A is equal to B, or B is equal to C, or C is equal to A. Again, if any of this is true, because we have ORed them, so if any of this is true, the triangle is isosceles. Okay. Now because we are following that if else pattern, when I come to the else part of it, without any checking, I am very sure that the triangle is scalene. Because understand this, if all three are equal, I am saying equilateral. If it is not, then I am coming to the else part, and I am checking if any two sides are equal. Even if that is not true, it is very clear that all three sides are distinct, and that makes the triangle as scalene. Okay, so that's it. This is how I can do the checking of types. So again, we can just have a quick recap. We have taken the three sides of a triangle as ABC. Then we have rather applied the constructibility criteria. Okay, I can rather put that as a comment. So constructibility condition. So if that condition is true, the triangle is constructible. Else we can see straight away we have written the triangle is not constructible. Now what we have done, if the triangle is constructible, then we are checking for the type. If all three sides are equal, which we managed to check with only two expressions, a equal to b and b equal to c, then it is equilateral. If not, then we have checked for each pair of sides if they are equal. That is, if either a is equal to b or b equal to c or c equal to a, then the triangle is isosceles. And if nothing is matched out of this, then the triangle is obviously scalene. So that's how we can very well do the type checking. So let us check with the execution. So let me compile. Yeah, there is no error. So suppose I give three sides as 1, 2, 3. You can see 1, 2, 3. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. That means ideally it should say the triangle is not constructible. Yeah, it is. So let us go ahead with something that is constructible. So if I put it as, let's say, 5, 8, 8, then it has to be isosceles. Yes, it comes as isosceles. And now the type is displayed, so we don't have to display separately that a triangle is constructible. It goes without saying. Suppose I give all three sides are equal. Let's say 9, 9, 9. It will be shown as equilateral. And if I give all three sides different, but the constructible scenario, then it will be taking it as scalene. Okay, so that's how you can have the type of triangle being checked. And if you can see, we have used here internally if else ladder. So if else, even though it was not a very lengthy one, but there was the essence of if else ladder here. So that's the reason I have taken this as an example immediately after we have discussed about if else ladder in our previous videos. Fine, we will have some more examples, maybe some typical examples of if else ladder also. Then we will rather have more examples of switch, and we'll see how exactly we can use switch in an efficient manner. So those videos are going to come after this video, okay, soon. So keep watching. I hope you have understood the current concept of checking the type of triangle. I would request all of you to spread this word and convey about my channel to all your fellow mates, all your colleagues and friends, so that those who are in a process of learning C programming, they would get benefited. Okay, I will really appreciate you watching this video, hitting the like button, sharing it with your friends, and helping me to increase the scope of my channel to many people. So that's it about the current video. Thank you and a very happy learning.